We guide you through how to fix Apple Pay unable to request money. First thing you need to do is make sure Apple Cash is available in your region, that your Apple ID and identity verification are fully completed, because requesting money won't work without Apple Cash set up. Next, open the wallet app and check that Apple Cash is enabled and linked correctly to your account. Then, confirm your internet connection is stable and Apple Pay services are not experiencing temporary issues. After that, restart your device, update to the latest iOS version, and avoid making repeated request attempts in a short time. And if you're still unable to request money, contact your bank to confirm there are no restrictions affecting Apple Cash. Then reach out to Apple support to review your account status. So that's it.